Howdy, ladies and gentlemen, Jake from GD Honey Acres here. It is December 17th, currently, Sunday after church. We just got home. And as you can tell, I am in a t-shirt right now. It is currently just over 50 degrees, and we've been having a really warm beginning to winter. So, wanted to show you guys that we have not finished winterizing our bees yet because of how warm it's been. And there's a reason why. If we got them fully winterized and did all of our insulation like we would normally do, I'm worried that they would consider it too warm and they would start brooding up. And what happens when they brood up? They burn through all their resources really fast. I'm not saying that that's what would happen, but it's just a concern of mine because we've had issues in the past where three or four hives did that last year where it got really warm. We had a really weird winter. So it got nice and warm and they started brooding up and they ran out of food and ended up dying out because they ran out of food when it got too cold. So currently we still have the Vivaldi boards on. We still have that part of the winterization happening, so moisture is able to escape from the hive. They should still have a lot of sugar, but if it stays this warm over the next month, we're definitely gonna have to get back into the hives and do more sugar before we fully wrap them up. I'm hoping January means that when that comes, it's gonna get a lot colder. So that way we could go ahead and finish wrapping the hives. So, as you can see from our beehives in here, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, currently they are fairly active. We're in here without suits, reason being they shouldn't be getting real aggravated with us unless we start messing with the colonies. Most of our colonies are super nice. We are seeing activity at all the hives currently. And yeah, that's awesome. Not really. I wish it was colder. I wish that we could finish winterizing them because it's not an easy job, not an easy task to do. It takes time and it can be rather annoying sometimes, especially if you don't have duct tape on hand and you're supposed to have duct tape on hand the way we do it. But that'll be a future video. I just wanted to explain why we currently don't have any of these girls wrapped in our foam board insulation yet, because I know we have previous videos of that. It will happen. I just want it to be colder first, because technically right now I can get into the hives with my rule that I have where if it's above 50 degrees, you can get in. If it's below, you don't. So currently they aren't fully winterized. Currently they're flying like crazy. And currently, I'm hoping for colder weather. All right, love you guys. Pray for you, you pray for us. Hope you're doing well whenever you are, wherever you are. Talk to you later. Bye.